Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a pool cleaning business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a pool cleaning business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. People all over the United States enjoy swimming, and many of them go to a swimming pool to cool off. Keeping the country's many swimming pools clean and operational is a major undertaking. According to studies, the swimming pool cleaning services industry is worth $3 billion. With no single company dominating the industry, there is plenty of opportunity for new business owners interested in starting a pool cleaning and service business. A pool service business can often be started for as little as $2,000, not including any licensing fees. The majority of capital is invested in equipment and supplies. Water test kits, cleaning chemicals, skimmers, brushes, and leaf rakes are all necessities for a business. Purchasing chemicals in bulk helps to keep costs low, though it slightly raises the initial investment. Business owners also require a vehicle that can transport their supplies. Trucks, SUVs, and trailers are usually adequate, and some crossovers will do. Many business owners begin by using their personal vehicle, if it is large enough, to keep startup costs low. Supply costs, fuel costs, and vehicle repairs, maintenance, and depreciation are all ongoing expenses for a pool service business. Continuous expenses account for roughly 20% of a company's revenue. While most pool service companies clean and maintain individual pools, the ideal customer for a pool service company is a business or organization with a commercial pool, such as a hotel, apartment complex, condominium property, gated community, school, park, or fitness center. Commercial pools take longer to clean, but pool service companies can charge more to clean them. They are also used by more people and thus require more frequent cleaning. Some commercial pools may require weekly service, or even twice or 3 times per week. A pool service business makes money by charging for pool cleaning and minor pool repairs. The amount a pool service company charges customers is determined by several factors, including how frequently the pool is serviced and what is done during the service. Pool service costs, on average, according to research, $177 for weekly services, $267 for biweekly services, $190 for monthly services, and $266 for opening and closing only. A pool service owner can expect to earn $50 to $60 per hour cleaning pools. This equates to $2,000 to $2,400 per week if you work full-time. If a pool service business owner cleans pools as well as performs minor repairs or maintenance on pool equipment, their hourly wage can range between $150 and $200 per hour. A business owner who does this extra work may earn up to $85,000 per year. Pool service companies can also sell supplies to pool owners who prefer to clean their own pools. This can provide an additional revenue stream and help the company find more customers. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a pool cleaning business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.